So first of all, before I go to the Thai snack, I just got a few Ziploc bag from Jelly Belly. Well, I saw it at the supermarket, so I just picked like 4 or 5 of them. But sorry, I didn't buy any Jelly Belly, cause like just before I went to the USA, I tried some of them, and the flavors are perfect, just like each flavored colorful one, just really perfect one. But then I just really don't like the texture at all, because like after you chew it for a while, then you would feel like sugar sand at the end of the chewing, and that's why I just don't feel like I enjoy that much. I prefer the one like smooth melting texture, much better. Alright, so this is Jelly Belly, the Ziploc bag, and check out the flavored up there on the top one. The first one is Berry Blue, so cute, so blue. Next is Blueberry, then Bubblegum, and Butter Popcorn, Cafe Latte, and the pink cute one is Candy Floss. Next is Cantaloupe, and the last one on the top row is Cappuccino. There you go. And then next, Caramel Apple, Caramel Corn, wow, Cherry Cola, Chocolate Pudding, oh yes, Cinnamon, Coconut, Cream Soda, and Crushed Pineapple. Okay, come to the third line. First one, dark chalk, no, grape, and then green apple, and then green tea, island punch, juicy pear, kiwi, and lemon. The fourth row, okay, the yellow one here, lemon drop, lemon lime, licorice, mango, margarita, orange sherbet, and then peach. Alright, next one, pina colada. What is that? Pina colada? Maybe. Pink grapefruit, plum, pomegranate, raspberry, red apple, sizzling cinnamon. Ooh, strawberry cheesecake. Oh yes, my most favorite, strawberry cheesecake. Then strawberry daiquiri, strawberry jam, tangerine. Ooh, toasted marshmallow. Wow, love to try it. Toasted marshmallow, top banana, tutti frutti, so cute. And then vanilla, very cherry, watermelon, and the last one is wild blackberry. Alright, and then the Thai snack that I'm going to have is this thing. People, gummy, real fruit gummy. Okay, let me show it to you, alright? Oh, now open the pack now. Guys, people gummy. Oh, looks so yummy, right? So I've got the pineapple one, grape, brown one is tamarind, and that is the tamarind, and then the yellow one is pineapple. Alrighty, going to have some. Wanna have some? There you go. Alright, thanks for watching, and then see you again next time. Enjoy your snack. Happy, happy, happy times. Bye bye.